With our lower support piece clamped in a vise, we can start laying out for our vertical connector pieces on our sides. The first thing that you will want to do is find the center point on your lower support piece. Then you will want to measure 2 7/16 inches to the left and 2 7/16 inches to the right of our center mark. This will identify the location for the first mortise hole and for our larger vertical connector piece. After that, we want a 1 1/4 inch gap between our center vertical connector piece and our smaller vertical connector pieces. And then we will identify another line 1 3/8 inches away from the previous line. And this will signify another mortise hole for our smaller vertical connector pieces. Once you have the first one marked, we can clamp all 4 of our pieces together, our 2 lower support pieces and our 2 short apron pieces. We want to make sure that the ends are flush, and then we're going to take a square and transfer those lines and measurements onto each piece. Additionally, I'm going to put an X where my mortise hole will be going, and this is to help me remember where it goes, so I'm not going to be mortising in the wrong location. After everything has been laid out, we can set up our mortising machine, and I've drawn a line in the center of each of my mortise locations to help me line up my mortising bit. And each mortise hole needs to have a depth of more than 1/2 inch. When finished, we should have 3 mortise holes in each of our pieces on both the short apron and lower support. And because we transferred those lines with all of those boards clamped together, all of the mortise holes should line up between each of the pieces.